Hi, my name is Lois Waroy. I'm the Venture Design Lead at Future Lab Studio. It's been a very interesting experience coming here to see the development of the Solar Innovation Hub by our very own AgriSolar startups. It has been an amazing journey where they came up to us and told us that they have this idea of collaborating the solutions that they've built in order to serve the local ecosystem. So we are here today and we came and we have seen how there's productive use of solar in transportations, through Karaa. We are seeing productive use of solar through making farm inputs and machinery available to the ecosystem through AgriShare App. We are also seeing how solar is being used as an alternative form of energy through SunCool. And we are very excited for what the future holds. And together we are looking forward to scaling the uptake of local technologies in these regions and to other regions in Kampala.
My name is Robert Sebandeke and I do work with Raw Milk and SunCool. The Solar Innovation Harvest Hub was an innovation that in the dairy sector, there's a lot of opportunity in solarizing the value chain. We came together as a team with AgriShare, Look Solar, and also Karaa Solutions, so that we can solarize the entire value chain, the dairy industry. One of the things is that in the dairy value chain, farmers don't have access to water for their animals, but also for domestic use. But also, mobility, the transportation of milk to the collection center is also a hurdle. And also, farmers face the hurdle of how to preserve their milk products, mostly the women who are retailers. So we come up with a solution of how, as SunCool, we could first aggregate the milk using a solar milk cooler, but also provide opportunity to other entrepreneurs who are in the solar space. We are so happy that the project really picked on well. It was well received by the participants, and actually the demand is increasing for solar products in the dairy value chain. We actually have a call to set up more solarized centers that can actually aggregate milk, based on the reasoning that once we cut out the cost of diesel and the cost of running generators, we actually use the money that we have saved to pay the farmers more, but also to buy more milk from the farmers over time. And it's been really quite interesting that at least with the investment that was made, it has already broken off in 2 months, and it shows the potential of how utilizing solar energy in the value chain can actually cut costs really, and you can actually make back the money very fast. So what we hope to do in the future is quite to scale up the pilot center. First of all, we've already acquired batteries to make the center scale from 1,500 liters collection per day to over 6,000, because we shall have batteries that can actually power a 5,000 liter cooler. But also we are looking at actually carrying the same model to all our collection centers that we run across Uganda. We do have 25 of them in total, and we hope by the close of the year we shall have at least 6 that will have converted fully to solar energy. So we are very excited about the future and the partnership, and we believe as a company we cut costs. As we cut costs, we pay the farmers better, but also we make more money since we are collecting more milk and processing more products and actually having products for export.
My name is Geoffrey Mutabazi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Karaa. What we do is we electrify bicycles in different value chains, that is dairy, food delivery, FMCG and other sectors. By deploying electric bicycles in the Solar Harvest Innovation Hub, we've been able to see high uptake of clean transportation solutions, not only for field coordinators that support the different innovators to reach farmers, to serve farmers, but also for transportation and collection of milk from farms to the milk collection center, and also transportation of water from the milk collection center or the Solar Harvest Innovation Hub which is powered by solar to pump water to be distributed in communities via bicycles, via electric bicycles. We've been able to see this huge uptake of these bicycles for multiple purposes, and we're hoping to see that in the coming few months and in the coming 1 year plus, we bring more partners that can utilize clean transportation in their delivery of their work and make transportation cleaner in the dairy and agricultural value chain at large. Thank you.
My name is Paul Zake, and I am the co-founder and also managing director at AgriShare Uganda Limited. At AgriShare, we have this innovation of AgriShare App, where the farmers can hire agricultural equipment like solar irrigation equipment. Here in Masindi, amazing, and also which is bad news, that it last went in November. That means in November, December, January and February, it has not rained. Now we're in March, it has not rained still. The milk losses are high because somebody who was getting 100 jerrycans is now getting just 10 jerrycans. As a country, we have a lot to do. But thanks for the partnership with the Innovation Village and the other partners like Karaa, like Royal Milk, like Look Solar, AgriShare, we are bringing on board innovation for the farmers in Masindi, who are dairy farmers, and also horticultural farmers. The farmers now, they can see the technologies, not on YouTube, but on ground, seeing these technologies operating, serving them on real time at their farms. We started off with the support from Innovation Village, where we had a demo. With that, a demo at the hub, where we have multiple innovations which are powered by solar. At one place, we are collaborating together, bringing together our innovations so that we serve these farmers. The journey over the past 2 months, we first installed something simple, that's the water pump, and we pumped water using solar energy. What we observed was amazing. We saw many people coming in from the towns, from the nearby villages to collect water. Then we also took a step and started off a demo garden to show to the farmers that you can grow your fodder so that you don't rely just on the pasture which is drying out in the farms. The farmers now have started already adopting to grow their own fodder, establishing the irrigation systems. Then we also had other low-level farmers who had water sources. They have been hiring the solar irrigation pumps, and now they are pumping the water not only for the consumption by their animals, but also for home consumptions and other purposes at home. Now we are stepping another step. We are adding on another step. That is also getting those farmers who didn't have a water source. We have now generated a list of them. We are going to identify where they can get the water sources at their farms, then construct the deep water wells, then they can also be able to get the solar irrigation systems at their farms. The other thing is to see that these farmers can be able to, one thing, rear animals profitably, that's by having enough water and the fodder crop. Two, to see that they can also transport their milk using our innovations and also collaborating together with the other partners. The other thing is to see that we boost the dairy sector, we boost our country, we boost our economy and make the lives of Africa better, the lives of the farmers better, and that's the journey ahead. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jude Chigozi, Managing Director at Look Solar. I'm in Chijunjubwa in Masindi, and I'm excited to just share an update about what we are doing here. I'm with a team. We are doing the AgriSolar project. Our project is called Solar Harvest Hub, and we have a center here in Chijunjubwa in Masindi, together with my other partners, Karaa, AgriShare, and Royal Milk. And today we've just had an exciting day because we are interacting with our beneficiaries and users of the hub that we have set up. Personally, and as Look Solar, we bring a solar fridge, an innovative solar fridge because of its features. It's helping the community here. Community is majorly a dairy community. Everyone has cattle around, and they want to preserve the produce from what they are getting from their cattle and their dairy. So we are coming in with our solar fridge. We are coming in handy with a solution that can give them assurance that they are going to extend the shelf life of their milk and the milk products. So far, we've been running this hub, of course, with support from the Innovation Village and their partners. And for the last 2 to 3 months, we've been able to set up our equipment at the hub, and the users are able to come in and get confidence, okay, and also restore their confidence in this productive use of energy using solar for their farming. Okay, so that was our major purpose, because it's quite daunting to work alone and to convince the community that they can, rely on solar to do business, but with the team and with the support of Innovation Village, the Innovation Village and the AgriSolar project, we've been able to build confidence in the community. And I'm excited that the orders are coming in for Look Solar for the first time. For the first time ever, we have overwhelming numbers of orders that are already coming in. But of course, already we have over 7 happy customers, and they are giving a lot of testimony. So yeah, I'm here to just share with you the update, and I hope you get inspired. Thank you very much.
So thank you to the Charles Stewart Mott Foundation for making this happen.